So, you're looking for a new signage? Meet Tom. Tom is a business owner, just like you, and he's sourcing for a new signage for his business. All he wants is a quality signage that looks professional, elegant, and yet affordable. However, he is worried about dealing with signage contractors because he has experienced it all: dishonesty, unreliable service, lousy workmanship, cutthroat pricing, and whatnot. But what if we told you that there was a way for you and Tom to have a new signage without all the problems associated with dealing with a contractor? What if you could trust and rely on us to deliver what was promised? With over 25 years of industry experience, armed with our own production facility, and a team of experienced fabricators and designers, we are more than ready to deliver a great signage and an awesome experience, while still being reasonably priced. That's why it's no wonder that some of the largest retail chains have entrusted us to be their preferred signage supplier. So call us today for a no-obligation free quote.